homework, right? Shambhala, file does not open. So I give 8 questions. Sure. Without any working. What is wrong? Huh? Okay. You're saying checking is wrong. No, that is expected when you don't do homework properly. Checked. Doubts.
Sir, first one.
Sir, third question.
First one itself. Okay. Okay. Velocity 0 for this is which graph first of all? So who
Sir,
feels that velocity is getting 0 here and here? This is not the 0 point. This would have been velocity 0 when this was which graph? Position time graph. If it was position time graph, then you say that the flat points or turning points are 0 velocity points. But it's not a position time graph. This is a, so it's directly asking
Velocity
you
time.
about velocity. This is the velocity graph, like it's given. So velocity is becoming 0 when velocity is represented on y-axis directly. So when is the quantity on y-axis becoming 0? These 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Second time when is it becoming 0?
Sir, 8.342.
No. First time it was at starting itself. Second time it's at 2.1. Getting Anish?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, I got it.
Sir, but how do you know that's 0? It's not mentioned anywhere.
Hmm?
It's not mentioned anywhere that that point is 0, 0.
Achha.
Yeah, but like it might be 0.1, 0.1.
It's starting, it's touching this point. Now, how else does it? Tell me, how else does it need to be mentioned?
Okay, sir.
It's touching, right? It's like, how else can they give? Tell me.
Sir, like it can
Not,
be,
it's not like starting from here or here. It's absolutely touching 0. Yeah, you were saying something, Aryan?
sir, it can be like 0, 0.1.
0, comma?
0.1. So like you don't know if it's
No, but it's touching. See, it's like this point, it's touching.
okay.
It is absolute 0, like, then so you can say that, then so you can keep on arguing about every point unless it's written. Okay, next.
Sir, third one.
Third one, Anish.
Yes, sir.
Second one, yeah, now second one, let's do it. Let's do it because this is these are all very common mistakes per month. These are all like not reading question properly. If you don't read properly, you will make mistakes. See what is asked. No, I don't think that's the mistake. I will tell you the people what mistake people make. Read the question. They don't even read the question properly. What is slope of velocity? Slope of this thing. So when is the slope of this thing 0? At turning points. At turning points, slope of this thing. When if it was a position time graph, then whose slope becomes 0 at turning points? Axis slope, position slope, and slope of position is known as velocity. Here, but they are not asking slope of position. They are asking slope of velocity. So when is slope of velocity become 0? So for the first time, when is it becoming 0? So this time they are not asking velocity becoming 0, they are asking slope of velocity. Next,
Sir, third one. Sir, third one.
the time interval in first 5 seconds when particle was moving forward. Now, when does the particle move forward? This is not a position time graph, so you can't tell. This is a, so from velocity type, what happens to the velocity when particle is moving forward? What happens to velocity?
Sir, it stays positive.
Yes. Particle moving forward, the impact of particle moving forward is velocity positive. So if we are looking at when is the particle moving forward, then we are looking at those areas where velocity is. Where is the velocity positive?
Sir,
All this
0 to
area,
2.158.
0 to 2.1.
158.
And where else is it positive? Second, 2 dot 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 like later on. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what are they asking?
Yes, sir.
Time interval in first 5 seconds when it, which is that then?
Sir,
0
D.
to D, 2.15. Next, then,
Sir, sixth one.
sixth one. find the time when velocity is. Now this one is not related to this graph, right? So I'm removing this. I thought it is. I forgot. So this one. What is zero? They are asking.
Sir, you now without.
Sir, velocity.
Huh?
Sir, velocity will be
Velocity.
0.
Don't find the slope of velocity. If it was position time graph, then you find VT formula as 2t minus 7. But it is not a position time graph. It is a VT relation. Velocity formula is already given. So what do you get?
Sir, t minus 6, t minus 1. Sir, C,
Okay.
both of the above.
Zero, if it was, then it would have been both of the above. It's B. Because it can be 1 or 6. Here, 1 is not present in the option. Only valid option is 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't get what to choose because like it was 1 and 6.
Yeah, it
So-
is 1. It's 1
So
or
I chose B.
Pardon?
Sir, I didn't get what to choose because it was 1 and 6 and 6.
Yeah, but which is the most appropriate option to choose in that case?
So B.
B only, right?
Yes, sir.
So, because you can't say none of the above because 6 is definitely one of the answers. So other one, it's just that it was not given in the options.
Yes. Sir, was it a mistake or was it
No,
deliberate?
it was deliberate. It was deliberate. Then 7th, who has a doubt?
Yes. Sir Arihant.
Okay, Aryan. Sarah, okay. Okay, Sarah, let's discuss.
So t square minus 1t minus 6t plus 6.
When particle is moving backward. So how will you find out when particle is moving backward, Sarah?
So first we
The
have to plot
velocity
the
time
graph.
relation, na? Yeah,
So
come on.
we have to plot the VT graph.
Acha, you want to plot the graph? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Fine. So how do you want to go about plotting the graph?
Sir, t equals to 0, so V is 6.
At t equal to 0, v equal to 6. Okay. So
T
0,
equals to, yes.
okay. Then
So t equals to 1, then V equals to 0.
at t equal to 1, v equal to. Acha, did you factorize it? Like
Yes, sir.
at v equal to 0, t square minus 7t plus 6 equal to 0. So t equal to 1 or t equal to.
6.
So what are the points?
So 0, comma 1,
No, 1 comma 0
1, comma 0 and 6, comma 0.
and 6 comma 0, right? Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir. Then sir, the turning point, so that will be 2t minus 7.
yeah.
2t minus 7 equal to 0. So t equals to 3.5.
Now,
3.5 square minus 7 into 3.5 plus 6.
wait a minute. Yeah. You don't need it, but fine. We can find it. V equal to 3.5 square minus 7 into 3.5
Plus 6.
plus 6, which gives us
Minus 6.25.
so 3.5 comma
Minus
negative
6.25.
6.25. Now,
Sir, it's moving backwards. between 0 second and 3.5 seconds.
No. It is which graph?
VT graph.
If it was
Oh, so
position
then it's
moving
so then
backward,
it's 1.
Hmm?
So then it's 1 to 3.5 seconds.
no. If it's a VT graph, see, if it was XT graph, then you can judge that it's moving back. But it's a VT graph. When particle is
1
moving backward,
1 to
velocity is
6
what?
velocity. So it has to be negative. So
Yes,
1
that
to
is the
6,
concept. So 1 second to
6
6
seconds.
seconds. Okay,
Okay, sir.
got it, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Next. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, what would you want to do? Who has a doubt in this? Minimum value of. So what do you do first? Graph, luckily we already have. Same graph. This was 0, 6. This is, and this is 6, 0. Now, what is this lowest point? 3.5. Now, what are they asking? Minimum value of velocity. What will you do? This is velocity time graph, right? So graph directly gives us minimum value of velocity. What are the values of velocities at various? Here at 0 second, what is the value of velocity? 6. At 1 second, 0. Where is the velocity lowest or minimum? 3.5 second. What is the value of the velocity at this? Is the velocity lesser than minus 6.25 anywhere? Where? So what is the minimum value of velocity? Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, that was the last one. Okay.
This is the last one.
I think black background is better, right? I tried it in your batches. Switch to black.
Sir, why it's better, sir? The black
Yes, sir,
background.
white's better.
Guys, see, I am taking feedback of offline people only when it comes to background selection. They have it tougher.
So it's pretty annoying to deal with the blackness.
Mm, see, even if you find it annoying, Nehal, I can't help. Reason is these guys are staring at a TV screen, so for them, background matters more, big screen. So you guys are okay with black, so I will prefer black then. Okay.
So you just switched off the lights and like only turned on the.
No. Then also, then so it will become even harder. Okay, a question. So particle 1 and 2 for both separately you have to answer. Particle 1, I'm giving a position time relation, okay? This is a position time relation for part. Question is same. You have to find the interval when it's uh, and for particle 2, I am giving you a velocity time relationship, okay? And you have to find for first 10 seconds. Find the interval in first 10 seconds. In first 10 seconds, okay? In which particle is moving forward for two different particles moving in straight line and following this. Second one is wrong. Kunal, see, second one velocity time relation was given. Huh? No, you didn't. The VT was given already. See the question. Yes. You understood, Kunal, why? That is the most important part. Yes. Yes. First one is wrong. Second one, what 5 seconds is the interval? You don't understand the meaning of time interval. Where is the first one? Good. Yes. And first one, Sarah.
Yes, sir.
You've used a different technique than mine in the first one, but it's very good. Did you learn from somebody else or it's
No, sir. I used the same technique.
okay? Good. It's a very wise technique, like much better than drawing original XT graph. So
I used the same one in the seventh question.
okay. I really appreciate like if you thought of it on your own.
Thank you, sir.
There is 5 to 0. I have not asked for the points. Acha, okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. See, logic is not wrong. It's correct. But what have I asked? See, interval. Interval means duration of time. What you are giving is not the interval. What is the interval in this? What time to what time? Don't speak loud. And second one, what time? Okay. One second, one more thing I have to hear. It's, by the way, this will not be 20, this will be 40. Other than that, it's fine. But it won't make a difference because time will remain from 5 to 2. Yeah. This is second or first? This one was first. Where is first? The graph is wrong, so it can't be. You have made a mistake in one of the calculations. Both are still wrong. Arihant, it's wrong. First one is wrong, and second one I asked for intervals. Anish, correct.
Okay, sir.
Who's this? Where is the first one? Okay. Parmanand, actually, logic-wise, everything is correct, but I asked for first 10 seconds. So end time is 10 seconds in a way. So accordingly, you'll have to go to. Who is this? Okay, okay, fine. Who is this? Who is this? Hiram, quite good. You also used a wise technique in the first one. What about other? Acha, okay, Arihant. Arihant, it is still wrong. And there is
Sir,
no working also, Arihant. So, like, impossible for me to, like,
Sir, I showed it in the first picture, right?
the first picture, it's there. Yeah, you have factorized and all, but other than that, still missing working. Who is this? Anything random you will write. Okay, who all have not got? And Anish, you sent?
Sir Nihal.
1 minute, Nehal. Who is this? Yeah. Although the graph is still very bad.
Sir, I sent it, sir. Sir, you also told it's correct.
Who is that? Anish,
Sir,
acha, okay. Anish
yes,
has
sir.
already sent. Yeah. Okay, Nihal. So first one is position time, okay?
Yes, sir.
And whose velocity do we need? Whose information we need? We
Sir,
need information about
sir, the first particle.
moving forward, right?
Yes.
So can you plot the graph?
Yes, sir.
Remember, it's a position time graph, first one. So
Yes. Sir, it starts from 0 at 5.
yeah,
Sir, and then it goes down to so it goes down to 1 comma 0. 1 comma
0 and
yes, sir. Sir, and then 5 comma 0.
yeah, and here lowest point
Sir, 4 comma 3.
4 comma
3.
no, it will be 3 comma something.
Oh,
3
Sir.
comma
Sir, 1 second. Sir, I'm getting minus 4. Sir, minus 4.
yeah. So now,
Sir,
how do you get the information about when the particle is moving forward or backward?
sir, when it's moving forward, the y like it keeps increasing. It keeps like going up.
What it keeps increasing?
Sir, I mean like
Yeah. You are
it
right.
goes up.
So where is it increasing from?
Sir, from 3 seconds.
To
Say to 10 seconds.
10 seconds all the way. So what's the doubt in this?
Oh, sir, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Second,
sir, then that's it.
second one. Harsh, second one, what's the problem? Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
Minus. Yeah. Yeah, moving forward means those parts where PT graph is the top of 0. So 0 second to till what time? 0 second to yes. And yeah. Nihal, you get that this is the answer for second.
yes. Sir.
Okay, I also want to discuss something.
Sir,
See,
can you show how Sarah and Abhiram did?
yeah. That's what I want to discuss. See, did you and just think of it, guys, think of it. If velocity information is required, See, moving forward actually means walking information means moving forward, or moving forward can also be found from velocity. How do you find it from velocity? Velocity should be positive, right? Now what Abhiram and Sara realized is that, see, this is the graph for xt, but they can get the moving forward relationship even from VT relation. What is the VT relation for first one? X equal to t square minus 60 plus 5. What is the VT relation? Now, VT graph, if you plot, and from VT graph also moving forward information can be found. But it's a line graph this time. If you look at it, power of V and T is 1. Line graphs are easier to plot. At T equal to 0, V equal to minus 6. And at V equal to 0, T equal to 3, it will come. Okay. And it will be a line graph like this. Now see, moving forward information, how do we find from velocity time graph? We find that time when velocity is positive. When is it positive? From 3 seconds all the way up to 10 seconds. Oh, thanks, Abhiram, you are right. 3,0. So when is the velocity positive? 3 seconds to 10 seconds. So that's a better approach if you think of it like plotting this VT, because it's a line relation, it's easier than plotting a curve. So that's why I called their approach as a wiser approach. Achha, that was the line you changed the graph. I didn't look at it properly. I thought left side you had a curve, right? That is what confused me, Arjo. I don't remember yours. Arjo, so I remember you understood why I got confused. Yeah, that's a okay. Nice if you did.
So is that a question?
Yeah. A particle follows above position time relation. Find when its velocity was 0. Yeah, plus 15. Find the minimum value of velocity it acquires.
Sir, for the first one, we should find the time, right, sir?
Hmm?
Sir, for the first one, we should find the time, right, sir?
Yeah, find time when its velocity was zero. Actually, yes. 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 First one, right? Yeah. Yeah, fine. So write the final answer. Find the minimum value of velocity. Unit, correct. Second one, first one also correct. Hmm? Units are missing. Ashwik, logic is all good. Who's this? Yeah. The first one, units time. Unit of time also put it. Units are missing in the second one, velocity का. Sara correct. Anish correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 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 Yes. First one should be is for, yeah. Who has not got? I think again Nihal and Aryan.
Sir, I'm doing it.
Sir, I'm kind of like stuck. So
Where are you stuck? Can you send whatever you have done?
okay.
And Nihal, what are you doing? You're just time passing. You're not
Sir,
doing
can I
anything.
send? Or can I send what until where I did?
Yes.
Yeah, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, first part is correct. What is the second problem?
Sir, when I'm finding like the minimum velocity, it's basically like the turning point, right?
Yeah, for which graph? Turning point for which graph?
So for the x is equal to
No,
for the
no.
velocity graph.
So VT graph plot and find the minimum point.
Okay.
Hello? Yes. Hello. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, ma'am, like, can we talk sometime tomorrow morning? I'm in middle of a class right now. So I think because around 10 a.m., will that be okay? Sure. Thank you. Your good name, please? Okay, Ms. Jashri. So I'm noting it down. We will talk tomorrow. Okay. Thanks. Oh, Nihal, it's not 3t square. See, it's by 3 also, right? T cube by 3.
Oh, sir, I did so. Sir, got it.
Arihant, what happened?
Sir sent.
So what is the minimum value? Then what is the answer?
Sir, -1.
Unit?
-1 meters per second.
Okay. I'm stopping here, guys.
Sir, sir, I got the first